Hello, thank you for watching my channel. I am Bob, and I'm going to call my channel Bob Can Cook. This is my first video that I present to you. Please forgive my lighting and audio and camera. I will improve with later videos. For my first video, I want to present to you the Mealthy CrispLid. This is a air fryer lid that fits on top of your existing pressure cooker. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing here. I received this earlier today, and I already took it out of the box that it's packed in. It comes in a plain brown box, and this is what you get. When you first open it, you will see that you have a nice user guide, okay? And they will also give you a recipe book. So along with the user guide and the recipe book, you will get a hard cardboard card here, a little cardboard card that has the instructions for downloading and installing the app. And I don't know what all that is for yet. I will present that in my second video. You also get a pair of tongs, silicone coating. I don't know how many inches these are. I assume they're maybe 8 inches maybe. Since I do have a pair of 12 inches. I have a very nice pair of my own tongs, which are red, and they also have the silicone. Okay, but you get a nice pair here with this Mealthy Crisp lid, excuse me. And you also get this mat. I hope you probably can tell I'm doing a voiceover here. I'm not doing live audio because there were people in my living room and I was not able to isolate my own voice away from the background noise. So I had to edit the video and do a voiceover. So I'm reaching behind me here and I'm grabbing a knife so I can cut off the plastic, which I guess did. And what this is here is a silicone mat. The silicone mat is so you can sit your Mealthy crisp lid on top of it when it's hot so you don't mess up any of your surfaces, any of your wood surfaces, your counter, like that wood cutting board you see I have right there at the box is sitting on. You don't want to burn that, so that's what your silicone pad is for. And you're going to see here that you do get the I think this is called a trivet. I don't know all the terms yet because I am new to air frying. I think this is called a trivet, and this is what your air fryer basket sits on. And you see here, I do have the deep one. Some people on YouTubers have complained that they got the short one. So make sure if you order one on Amazon that you do make sure that the listing that you're looking at does mention the deep fryer because not all the listings do. Now this is your Mealthy crisp lid, and you can see on the bottom here it has this nice metal protective guard, which is protecting the heating element and the fan. Yes, the heating element and the fan is in the lid, so with that guard, it enables you to fit it on the silicone pad. All right, and you also have very simple controls. You have your temperature button, you have your timer button, you have your minus and your plus, you have your start, and you have your stop. That's it. There's no presets. Just use the instruction, the recipe book, to find out your times and your temperature. And also let me point out, this should fit any standard pressure cooker, not just the Instapot. Any standard pressure cooker, you can get the Mealthy crisp lid in 6 quart and 8 quart. As you see there in the background, I have a 8 quart Power Cooker Plus, and the Mealthy lid fits just fine. I'm going to show you the power cord here. I'm sorry I didn't actually measure it, but you can get an idea there that it's not very long. So you better have an outlet nearby. All right. And let me show you the silicone pad here. I'm going to sit this here on my cutting board. And you see it fits nicely. You just have to make sure that you center it when you take it off the pot because there is no like recess or guide or anything for you to like fit it into. So you just have to make sure you know what you're doing. And I just want to point out a little observation right here. This is a old aluminum pot I have, okay? And you see here the Mealthy fits it just fine. So in one of my upcoming videos, I'm going to see if I can just cook in a regular pot without it being a pressure cooker pot and see how it turns out, all right? So let me put this aside and I'm going to bring over here my pressure cooker, all right? Once again, please bear in mind this is my first video, so I may be a little clumsy here. The reason why you see all this plastic here, because my reason for buying the Mealthy crisp lid is because my original liner in my pressure cooker, all the coating came off, so I bought a new inner lining for my pressure cooker, and I thought the Mealthy CrispLid would have been a nice companion for it, so I bought that instead of me spending the money for for a whole separate air fryer unit. All right, like you see right there, it fits just fine. You just take it on and off. There is no lock or anything. And there is the trivet, and there is the air fryer basket. And I'm going to take the camera down here. I'm going to take the camera off here, and I'm going to show you. See, it fits inside. Should be a lot of room there to cook, air fry plenty of food for at least 2 or 3 people. All right. I don't know why I'm showing you the silicone tongs here, but just going through the motions there. All right. So let me hang my camera back up. I'm not going to edit that out. I'm just going to leave it. And in my next video, I will actually cook something. I'm going to cook maybe some French fries. All right. And I'm going to be doing a lot of cooking on this channel. I promise you, I will get a better camera and better audio system, better lighting. And I thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.